All right, so let's talk about how you get free traffic to your online business, okay? Now, traffic is the lifeblood of any business. It doesn't really matter what you are promoting out there. If you don't have traffic, you're not going to make any money, right? So what you see people do, they try to get as much traffic as they can, okay? So traffic simply means online visitors. You want a lot of attention coming to your website. That's just traffic, right? Now, those of you who have joined the OLSP team builders, okay, now you have an opportunity to get free traffic from our team builders rotator, right? So this is very simple. So if you have joined my team through my link in the team builders and you have not submitted your link to me, then you are you are missing out on the traffic that we're giving out for free, completely free of charge, right? So what happened is this: once you join my team, you in the team builders, then you give me your link. So make sure you are joining my team, because if you somehow end up joining another team, you are not going to get this benefit, okay? So what you want to do, you want to give me your team builders link, and I'm going to add you to our team rotator, right? Where we send traffic every day to your link. So like right, we send as much traffic as we can to your link, though there is no guarantee of sale, right? Because nobody can guarantee anybody's sale in online business. But look, the fact that you are getting free traffic that you're not working for, somebody else just give you free traffic, that is powerful, right? And that's what we're doing. We are sending all those visitors to your website, and hopefully some of them are going to convert to high ticket sales. Remember, with the team builders, you could earn commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. So the potential to make good money is there, right? So that's beautiful. So the problem, most people say they are having challenges getting traffic. Look, listen carefully, right? It's not like we are not just going to promote for you like that. We are going to work with you, right? So it's not like we are going to do the job for you. No. We are going to work with you, right? So you are creating traffic, because some of the training in the team builders is how you can create traffic for yourself, right? So we are supplementing that traffic for you, right? Like we are just like, hey, while you are learning to build your business, we are going to be promoting for you, sending you some of our traffic and hoping that you will get some nice high ticket sales of your own, right? Because look, this is the time to make those high ticket sales. Now, some of you like, when you're sending your link, yeah, if you don't, there are only 2 links that we accept, right? So you are either sending the team builders link to us, or you are sending your mega link, right? So that's true. We accept mega link also. The reason why we accept mega link is because some people may not have the patience to wait for high ticket sales, right? So they may not have that patience to wait for high ticket sales. So that's why we accept mega link also, right? So you can, instead of submitting your team builders link, you can submit your mega link, but you must be a team builder through my link, right? So if you want to join team builders today, and you want to make sure you are under my link, what you can start with, you can go to the link in the description, click that link, and try and join team builders. If you notice you are not going to be under my team, then you better stop and get back to me, and then we find an alternative way to get you on my team. Because if you get on somebody else's team, this benefit is not for you, right? So there's no way we are going to promote a link that has no benefit to our team, right? You understand that? So you want to make sure you are part of our team, right? So go ahead, go to the link description, click that link, or go to my profile. The link is the same. Get your way to team builders under me, and that's good, right? It's awesome. So that's amazing. Now that's it, right? Free traffic, all for you. We are, as our team grows bigger, we are going to get more traffic, right? Because we really want to see that our team members succeed easily, right? We want to see you making all those 200% commissions, 200% second tier commissions. We want to see you getting those. Then we want to see you also getting those high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale, while we work with you for you to succeed. All right. So go ahead if you are interested in getting your hand on this free traffic that is going to be there for a very long time for you, right? Because we are going to consistently keep promoting your link in the team rotator, it goes from one team member to the other so that everybody have opportunity to get traffic. And as the team continue to grow bigger, we are going to have to get more traffic, right? So don't waste time. If you are really interested in this bonus opportunity to get free traffic from our team, go ahead right now, click that link in the description, join the OLSP team builders under that link, and make sure that I am your sponsor so that you get in as fast as possible. So with that, guys, if you have any question, you can privately DM me. We can still talk about it. And if you and then if you like this, don't forget, make sure you click the like button, okay? And with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.